Meaning of industrial strength.
Industrial strength.
Industrial strength.
Industrial strength.
Industrial strength. The term industrial strength refers to something that is designed to withstand heavy use, harsh conditions, and perform reliably. It is commonly used to describe products or technologies that are developed for industrial or commercial purposes, where durability, strength, and reliability are critical. Industrial strength products tend to be stronger, more durable, and better performing than their consumer-grade counterparts. This term is often associated with heavy-duty machinery, software, and tools that can handle large-scale operations. Overall, anything labeled as industrial strength boasts robustness, resilience, and a high level of performance.